Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to send money from Revolut to Gcash. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now first thing you should do is to go to your browser, then type Wise. This website will allow you to send from Revolut to Gcash, and you have to register in this website. Then after registering and signing up and making your email, all you have to do is to open the settings from here, then click on Recipients, and here you should add a recipient. Click on Add Recipient. Then here you have three options. You can choose myself or someone else, but in this case I'll choose someone else. And here you should choose the currency that you're gonna use. Let me just choose Egyptian pound, for example. Then here you should enter your email, then full name of the account holder, then type the IBAN. And after clicking on confirm and adding the recipient, you will have the recipient available right here. But I didn't make a new one. So let's imagine that I have added a new one. What you're gonna do right now is to go to send money after adding the recipient, and then here you should choose British pound because it's from Gcash. Then here you should choose the recipient gets any currency that you want or having it on Revolut account. Then click on continue. Then here you should fill some data. Then enter your address, then click on confirm and continue. And here you should choose the recipient that you have added. And as I said, let's imagine that I have added a recipient, so I will choose it. Then you can review and tap on pay. Then after that, I will be able to send the money from Revolut to Gcash. And that is all. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.